You know, this time of year when we get in the wintertime, homeowners will have me out, we'll be looking at their siding and they'll say, hey, can you take a look at something? How do I know if I need new windows? One, if you can feel it, if you feel that cold air transferring from the outside in, that also means you're losing a lot of heat from the inside out. And it can happen both through the glass as well as around the window frame itself. And so one of the things that's nice about replacement windows is, at least all the ones we offer, you're gonna have multiple coats of low E coating on the glass. You're gonna have argon gas as well as a graphite foam filled frame in the window itself, so that it completely blocks that heat transfer from going out of your house during the winter or that cold air from rushing in. Now the inverse happens during the summertime. It's blocking that heat from entering the house and keeping that cold air inside so that it doesn't leave. Another way you can tell is with seal failure. So if you're getting condensation between the glass panes, not on the inside of the house, not on the outside, but between the glass panes, as well as fogginess, it means you have seal failure. And you can look to either just replace the window sash itself or look to replace the entire window. So at Hawthorn Home Exteriors, we actually don't do window repair. We only offer full replacement. Typically, we can make some recommendations and referrals for you if you're looking to potentially try to have your window repaired. I know sometimes our clients that have the older homes with wood windows, especially if they have a wood exterior window, and there's a fair amount of rotting happening around the sills and the frame, unfortunately, repair is probably not an option no matter who you call. At that point, you're gonna spend as much trying to salvage the frame and save it as you would just tearing it out, replacing it with a new window that'll give you a lot of life and performance. But then the other thing is like seal failure. So if there is seal failure, and especially if we can identify who the manufacturer is, sometimes you can get a replacement sash for a lot less money than full replacement and just replace that sash and move on. I would tell you, if you have multiples of multiple windows that are having failure, it's probably a good time to consider going and replacing all of them, because it will be less expensive to do it that way than to just kind of continue and piecemeal it over the years and constantly worrying about, okay, what's next?